You've often heard me talk about stress and how stress can lead to illnesses, dysfunctions, blockages, imbalances, infections. But the truth is that's not really 100% correct. I should say stress that is not being used properly can lead to those blockages and issues. But the stress is just a stress. The stress can be used as a tool for growth. The stress can be used to evolve, to become a better person. So stress is not the problem, it's what we do with it, which is kind of, that's applicable for pretty much everything in life. Think of wine. Wine is going to come from grapes being broken down, being under pressure, under stress. That's how the wine process begins. And think of olive oil. The olives, they have to be crushed. Think of diamonds. A diamond has to be formed under tremendous amount of pressure. Seeds, before they are able to grow into a tree, they have to go through a dark and very traumatic process. But that trauma, when it's being aligned with who we are, it leads to growth. So if you feel stuck with the same kind of stress, if your words are always about the same type of stress, perhaps you're not using it correctly, or you're not growing as fast as you could, because life can be the most beautiful, just gratitude filled experience. But it's not going to be that if I am using stress the wrong way. So anyway, just wanted to let you know, to correct myself in saying that stress in of it itself is not a bad thing, is what you do with it. And that's applicable for everything in life. So my invitation to you would be to learn better ways to use stress as an opportunity for growth. The potential is there, and it's up to you individually to use it or not. So anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.